If your Google TV looks overly bright or washed out, it's usually caused by the wrong picture mode, dynamic contrast settings, or a disabled ambient light sensor. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to tone down the brightness and bring your display back to balance. Solution 1. Change picture mode. Open your Google TV, then use your remote to navigate to the settings. Then go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Find the option called Picture from here. Open it. Now select Picture Mode. This may be set to Vivid for you, so switch to Cinema, Movie, or Standard mode instead of Vivid. Vivid mode often boosts brightness and contrast too much, making images appear unnatural or blinding. Solution 2. Adjust backlight and contrast. Navigate to Settings again, then Device Preference, then Picture. Now under both brightness and backlight, reduce the value slightly, preferably around 30 to 40. Also lower contrast and gamma for smoother highlights without losing details in bright scenes. Contrast should not be more than 50. If you have a different type of gamma option, then set this to middle. Solution 3. Enable developer options and adjust color settings. From your Google TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Now go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Go to About. Then scroll down to your Google TV OS build. Use your TV remote's OK button to tap on it 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Confirm your choice if you get prompted or anything. After that, go back to Device Preferences. Scroll down and find Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, find the Picture Color Mode setting. Turn on Use sRGB and turn it off. See which one helps. If neither work, change your TV color. Scroll down from here. Now select Stimulate Color Space. Shift between the color options here, like Monochromacy and Deuteronomaly, and so on. Eventually, after switching between all of them, choose Disable at the end. This sometimes resets the color correction of your TV. And that's how you can fix an overly bright screen on your Google TV. If this guide helps you fine-tune your picture, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.